So let's take apart this mini drone and see how to fix the most common things that usually goes wrong with these drones. By the way, this drone actually goes under a few different names, but again, they are all the same drones, just sold by different sellers that simply names them a bit differently. By the way, also, if you are actually looking to purchase this drone, I'll leave a special discount link where you can get an AliExpress for literally only a bit over $10, and that also is with free shipping. So again, if you do not want to bother about fixing, again, it literally only costs like a bit over $10 essentially for this price. I think it's absolutely insane deal. Also, if you need basically parts, so the propellers and also the motors, I will also leave a links in the description where you can get them for very cheap money on AliExpress. Okay, so first, maybe if you simply want to change your propellers over, to remove your old propeller basically, so inside the box you will also get this tool, but honestly we can simply pull them off. So you see, if I use a bit of force, basically take the propeller head basically with my fingers and wiggle a bit off, so you see I can easily remove it. By the way, also when changing these propellers, as you see, you actually have different letters on these propellers. See, this one for example says, okay, so if I can get it to focus, so A4 for example. So yeah, basically we have to simply match basically the correct propeller back to this drone. So it uses two types of propellers, basically A propeller on this and B propeller on this. So again, yeah, do not mix them up, otherwise the drone won't fly very well. And to replace your rotor, simply again we can simply push it on. So you see you have this tiny rod that pops out, and we can simply pop it on like this. So very easy. Then also, if you actually want to replace your motor, maybe your motor is dead basically, so it's also very easy, but we actually have to take apart the drone. So first on the motor, for example, if you want to change this, so you see you have this tiny thing over here, and we actually have to take our fingernail over here and simply unclip a bit. As you see, it actually comes apart a bit. So, and do it on all of these clips, okay, like this. And you see, then we can simply take this off. So again, very easy. And then basically maybe take a small screwdriver, as you see, okay, okay, so we have tiny gap over here, if I can get the focus. So yeah, basically we would insert maybe this tiny bit of screwdriver over here and simply help it push outside. So insert it like this, and you see we can easily push out the motor basically from this drone. And then basically, yeah, you can simply remove this motor over here, and to take apart, as you see, you have actually a bunch of screws over here, and it uses these tiny Phillips screws. And once you unscrew everything over here, so we would first take our head, so, and simply push it off like this, and you see we can easily push it basically, okay, a bit down. So essentially, so it's probably a bit tricky, so maybe leave it like this, so we can actually lift up basically this lid. Then you see basically the drone simply detaches. So when you actually take it apart, there is a tiny bit of glue basically that sometimes hold it inside, and simply wiggle all around basically to open up the case basically. So be very gentle. As you see, these lids are very tiny, so again you have to be very gentle here, and then simply we can lift this up. So I already opened it up basically before this video, so it's a bit easier. And also as you see, we actually probably can't even remove this top cover properly, because as you see you have these things soldered on a bit. So what I would do is simply maybe leave this top part like this, so hanging around, and then you see basically, so from these propellers and motors, you see you have these tiny leads coming, and they simply are soldered onto the motherboard. So you would simply trace back which lead actually corresponds to which motor over here, and see you would have to actually unsolder these to be able to solder back in new. So again, there aren't any clips on some other drones. I see there are a bunch of clips that you can simply clip in and out, but on this one again we actually have to get a soldering iron and simply unsolder these, and basically then put in the new motor and solder that in, essentially, as you see. So the overall build quality is very simple actually on this drone. And to be able to take apart the head, so maybe if you need to change the camera on this drone, as you see, you have extra hidden screws that actually reveals once you actually take the head off of the case. So you would unscrew these 2 screws and lift up this cover, and then again it's very simple to actually change it over there. And that's about it. So maybe let's try to put everything back together. Push in your leads in their correct places. Again, when you put everything back together, be very gentle, because these leads are basically very fragile probably. Okay, and once we have more or less everything put together, we can take our head and slide it back on. So it simply slides in like this. Okay, and then using that clip, it simply like clips inside. And then let's put all the screws back in and screw it down. Okay, I have put everything back together. Let's turn it on and see if everything is okay. Yep, everything seems to be great. And again, if you actually need parts for these drones, so the motors and also propellers, simply check out the links in the description. I will include AliExpress listings where you can get them for the cheapest price. Again, also if you want to maybe purchase a new drone, again on AliExpress, if you follow the special discount links in the description, you can pick up on only for a bit over $10. And again, that is with free shipping at this price. I think it's absolutely insanely cool drone. Again, very stable in air, very durable. So yeah, pretty cool drone over here. Anyway, good luck.